Hello, this is Steve Milton, and here is my preview of the Razor movie pages that we've created. This first page is actually let's go to the home page so we can see that all that works. So this is the home page, take there. If I go to the privacy page, it takes me there as well. And then back here, this is the actual movie page. These movies have all been freshly reseeded. So these are the things that come right out of that. I did add the good, bad, the ugly to that, just so I didn't have to keep retyping every time I had to refresh this thing. You'll notice that it lists everything out. I do have the ratings there. I've got my search screen, so if I want to go and just pull up my comedies, it will pull up the comedies. If I want to pull up comedies by, say, just a specific filter on that, I'll put a 2. Pull everything with a 2 in it, so that all works fine. Go back to all, I'll pull all movies with a 2, it should do the same thing. I'll come back here and just say, I don't know, let's go with bad. Sorry, bad. Search for that. Okay, so all that stuff works fine. Let me just get all that back to fresh, filter, go. Okay. So if I want to add a new movie, I just create the new. I'll put in Sting. I'll put in something. I wish I could type here. It doesn't let me type though for some reason. Yeah, it doesn't let me type. So I'll go, whatever, 2015, August 24th. Okay. The genre, we'll say this is a drama. Probably a Western, but we'll go with that. We'll give it a $4.99, and we'll give this a PG. That's probably a G. I don't remember anything with that number. Yeah, probably PG. So it's adult. All right, so create that. And there we go. We have it. It's on the bottom there. It all shows up. I can go and edit it. Or if I want to see details, I can go and look at it. Go back to the list. I can go and edit it. And let's change the date to, say, it was actually the 21st. Go back, change it, save it. Go back here, you can see the changes that are taken. If I want to just get rid of it, I can just say delete and delete it and delete, and now it's gone. So everything is working the way it's supposed to. I'll be curious to see if I can actually start using Razor Pages because it was a lot more complicated and just reading it. I don't understand it, but I was able to follow through with at least the tutorial and get through it all. And hopefully I'll be able to figure out how to actually use it. Thank you.